Welcome back. Today we will be teaching you about how to write reference in citation, Harvard style, from website. We have previously discussed on how to write reference in citation from books and videos. We have also talked about Harvard style referencing. And I have also mentioned the link to those videos in the description. Now let's get started. Let me tell you about the basic structure for citation. That is, author surname / organization year. And for reference it is author surname, initial / organization, acronym, year, website name / web page title, publisher, viewed, URL. For better understanding, let me show you with an example. I will show you how to write reference here. First, go to your desired blog, page, or website. Here you have to go to its URL and copy it. For that you can use Ctrl+C or right-click on the URL. After copying the link, go to citethisform.com. In the homepage, click on Create Citation. Then you have to choose the source from which you want to take reference from. In my case, I'm choosing website. Here you have to paste the URL in the search box and click on Search. After that, wait for it to search for that web page. After getting the desired result, click on Cite. Here you can check the details of the page. If it's the same as you read before, then click on Continue. You can check the final details that will be displayed at the end here. Title, URL, date at which it was published and the date it was accessed by you. After confirming everything, you can click on Complete Citation. Then copy the reference from the Give option. You can paste it to the document you are working on. As you can see, we have successfully pasted the reference. And for citation, it will depend on the number of writer. For this example, we only have one author, so it will be Anthony 2022. With this, you can clearly understand how to take reference in citation from website. Also, sure to subscribe the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful discussions and practical tips. And if you have any recommendations for future videos, please do tell that in the comment section. Thanks for watching and until next time, good luck!